Hi there, students. To abridge, a verb, abridged, an adjective. Okay, so to abridge is to make a piece of writing, particularly a book or a play, shorter by removing bits, removing things that are not important. So the book was abridged to make it suitable for children. To abridge, to make shorter by cutting out unnecessary bits. You could also use abridge to mean to reduce somebody's freedom, to reduce somebody's rights. So this law would abridge people's freedom of speech. Yeah, the state has abridged the citizens' rights to say what they want. This is an abridgment of their rights. Okay, so to shorten a piece of writing but without losing its sense, yeah, to truncate it, and then to abridge, to curtail a right or a privilege. Yeah, so the law abridges people's rights to do something. That's probably a fairly legal meaning. Okay, so to abridge, to reduce the length of something written by condensing it, or to cut short, to diminish, to reduce, particularly a right or an ability, or so, for example, when their key player was sent off, it abridged the team's ability to score, for example. Okay, so the editor abridged the manuscript by cutting out pieces that were not relevant or not very useful. I think it's unconstitutional to abridge basic human rights, although many dictators try to abridge basic human rights. Our picnic was abridged by the rain. Abridged sounds very formal in that context, but I guess it is possible. Yeah, we had to abridge our visit because we ran out of money. Our holiday was abridged by the outbreak of war, for example. So to abridge, to abbreviate, to shorten, to reduce, and then as well to abridge, to abbreviate, to curtail, to shorten, to make shorter. Okay, so to abridge, effectively it's like you've got a bridge going from one side to the other so that you don't have to go all the way around the edge. Imagine a huge great big lake. Yeah, a bridge over the center will abridge your journey, will make it a lot shorter. So the Suez Canal certainly abridges the journey from Asia to Europe by sea. Yeah, the Panama Canal, it provides another abridgment of a journey. Okay, so to abridge, to cut short a document or a book, the abridged version. Very often for students they provide abridged versions of famous books for them to be more readable and more with less complicated vocabulary. So to shorten, you can use this to shorten the duration or extent of something. Yeah, I'm going to abridge my speech as we seem to have run out of time. Yeah, you're probably all sitting there praying for me to abridge this video. And then to abridge somebody's rights. Yeah, his rights were abridged, his freedoms were abridged. Formality, to abridge. I think in the idea to shorten, use it in a semi-formal writing. I think I'm going to give it a 7 in formality. I think maybe an abridged version of a book, 6 in formality, use anywhere, although it's on on the more formal side. Yeah, and effectively this comes from Latin abrevio, ad brevio, to shorten, to make shorter, to from to abbreviate, to abridge. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Abridge, abridged, abridgement.